What is the #1 most underrated feature on YouTube Shorts? Do you think they're a waste of time, or are veteran creators right to be skeptical? We're about to cover the GOAT feature that nobody uses and explore why Shorts can dramatically boost views for viewers like yous. We're going to look at my mistakes, your opportunities, and the best growth hacks for you, especially if you're new to YouTube. So why do big creators hate on YouTube Shorts? Well, over the last year, YouTube has made some fantastic transformations to the app. You can grab a clip, grab a trending sound, and get views. Like, what? Yeah. I get it, though. You're already successful on YouTube. You're making great money. Don't worry about it, man. Us noobs will take your views. I know some of you guys are angry about Shorts, but we're going to talk about why hating on Shorts might be a deadly channel mistake. Like it or not, the YouTube world has changed. So if creators are mad, Shorts must be bad, right? I'm absolutely ecstatic we have multiple ways to succeed. You got lives, podcasts, short form. But how do you use Shorts? Like the physical buttons. I'm not too smart about these things, but I'll do my best. I'm logged into my special setup. You are going to be just tapping with your finger. It's an old iPhone, so open the app. We're going to tap the plus symbol, make a recording by tapping that button right there. Skibidi toilet. When you're satisfied with your recording, hit the check mark on the right. And to get more views, choose a trending sound from the bottom left. Holy cow, somebody shouted me out. Well, let's just choose this one. Chop, stay. On the bottom right, click the volume button to bring the volume of your sound down. Click next, add a title, maybe a hashtag if you want. Set it to public or private, add a related video, and hit upload short. Bullying. Have I ever gotten trolled on YouTube? I get the comment, "You're old," all the time, and does it bother me? Only if you forget to mention that I'm a nerd and a real jerk. I'm here to tell you, don't worry about it. If they're trolling, you're growing. Made that up myself. I've gotten pretty used to getting roasted online, honestly. But occasionally somebody will hit a nerve. And if you feel like blocking them, block them. We're in YouTube on desktop. Click your channel PFP, click your channel, then click on Manage Videos. In the left column, click Comments. Find the person you wish to block, click the 3 vertical dots, move down to Hide User from Channel, and their comments disappear.
Got him!
Make this your mantra on Shorts. Mantra, keep it punchy, keep it concise, end the video. Check, check. Coming up with engaging hooks, getting to know your audience, letting your personality shine through. Skippy Toilet, Freddy Fazbear, I'm joking! But the skills you gain are serious training to develop skills, like editing. Use CapCut, Shotcut, Filmora, Premiere Pro. But pro tip, use the sounds on this app. That is a smart move because your video can get discovered through the sound pages. I have about 16.3% of my views that I get through the sound pages usage.
I usually just use the
YouTube app tools and a little Premiere Pro. Some creators inevitably look down on Shorts creators because of the huge sums of time and energy it requires to make long videos. It's so taxing. But we have to start somewhere. I did, and maybe you will too. In a long video, you get time to explain yourself, show off your skills. With Shorts, brevity is the skill to show off. And in my research, also known as watching YouTube videos, the algorithm favors 15 to 20-second videos. And obviously the algorithm favors videos like this one that get a lot of likes. I'm not a great winker. Okay, let's get to the juicy stuff. How many times a week should you post Shorts? If I reveal how many Shorts I post in a week, you'll do an intervention on me. But really, I just want to drive views to my longer videos. But I honestly don't recommend what I do. I just improvise. A suggestion from the audience, please. Should you pull from your long video? YouTube Shorts is almost a completely separate platform. You're gonna mix old clips, and new bits. You should definitely repurpose from your long videos. It's free content! I sometimes post up to 30 shorts a day. I'm fine. I've learned a lot from my mistakes, so you don't have to. Don't get popped. Do not get popped. Don't get popped for copyright infringement. On shorts, it feels like music is a free-for-all, but it's definitely not. If the sound is not found in YouTube Shorts music, don't use it unless you have a license. I still get demonetized Star Wars videos from years ago. Luke, I am... Sometimes the copyright police take years to get to you, but eventually they'll get you. Copyright strikes can make you lose your channel. I don't want that to happen to you. On shorts, there are billions of sounds to choose from. Let's get some eyes on your shorts to drive views to all of your content. We're about to get to that GOAT feature I mentioned at the beginning. GOAT feature! But as long as we're talking about eyes, let's mention title and thumbnail. Are they important? Thumbnail, not important. Title may be important. On a short, an intriguing title might be helpful, but thumbnails are a waste of time. The videos are mostly just getting served up on the short shelf, unless you found a secret way to get viewers onto your channel page to watch your shorts. And if so, please tell me. I need the secret. How about video dimensions? For long videos, the typical video format is 19 by 20. For shorts, reverse it. It's 1080 by 1920 vertical format. How about hashtags? How about niches? For niche content like hashtag Minecraft, you might be able to mine or even craft a few extra views by using your hashtag. And for popular niches, cooking, video games, Freddy Fazbear, Skibbity Toilet, parkour, SpongeBob, there are tons of weird things that people love. How about pacing? Is pacing for shorts important? Fast. Always fast. Do your hook, provide the content, and get out of there. Or better yet, make it into a loop.
Make it into a loop.
Can YouTube Shorts be monetized? The thing that sticks in the craw of many a celebrity influencers is that it's at a relatively much lower rate, and the money is confusingly divided between creators. If the creator you want to collaborate with has remix permissions turned on, you can use cut, green screen, or use their sound. And you want to create a long watch time. Anything over 100% is fantastic. Every creator has the option to restrict or allow remixes of their own content. By being in the YouTube culture, you'll find people that you'll collaborate and grow with just naturally. I've made friends with a couple of really great guys, and we chat about YouTube on an almost daily basis. You both get the benefit of introducing your audience to a whole new set of eyes. And if you want to collab with me, go for it. My permissions are always on. Remember to ask for a like. Hit like. Where have I heard that before?
Subliminal programming.
Don't forget to use the community section. Engagement there is sky high. You can see exactly what people just like you are feeling. Creators that don't embrace short form might get left behind. YouTube just keeps getting bigger. The integration of shorts, longs, lives, podcasts, it's just gonna get better and better. That's the potential long-term benefit of YouTube Shorts. When, how, and why to do it right now before the big wigs catch on. Boop, boop. Shorts are kind of seen as a hack to success. That is what makes some creators question it. Whew. YouTube is a real grind, so I get it. Go make a YouTube short. Let me know how you did in the comments section. That GOAT feature we mentioned at the beginning, linking. You can now link your shorts to a long video. That's such a huge untapped opportunity that nobody's using. Whoever falls in love with you in your short can click on your long video without leaving the short shelf. Maybe you'll get married. Huge. And it's a feature that might get you 100 million views this year. See how much YouTube paid me for that amount by watching this video right here. Bye.